Today we're going to make brown soda bread, and here are the simple ingredients that you will find in your kitchen. Wholemeal flour, 350 grams. Plain flour, spilled plain flour, which is 100 grams. 3 tablespoons of organic oats. 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of salt. And some toppings: pumpkin seeds, oats, sesame seeds. And for the wet ingredients, 3 tablespoons of oil and 1 tablespoon of honey and 400 ml of buttermilk and 1 egg. Let's start our procedure. So first we're going to add the spilled plain flour and sieve it with baking soda and salt, and sieve it well. And next we're gonna add the wholemeal flour, and then we're gonna add the oats, and then we're going to mix it well until it's well combined. Moving on to the wet ingredients, first we're going to add 1 egg. Then we're gonna add the oil. Then we're gonna add honey. Mix well. And now we're gonna add the buttermilk. And then we're gonna mix it well. Now we're going to combine this. First we're gonna make a hole in between the flour. Then we're gonna add the wet ingredients. And now we're going to mix it. The dough should look slurpy and sticky, like this. And here we're going to add it to our tin with paper butter on it. Before I had all my ingredients ready, I had my oven preheated to 180 degrees. Now we're going to put some water on top for nice golden crisp, and put some more. Yep. And then next we're going to add some sprinkles on top, our toppings: pumpkin seeds, sesame seeds, and some oats. And now we're going to bake this for 60 minutes.